Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy S21 FE Snapdragon 888 version, then this is a great chance for you to buy this device under 30,000 rupees or little bit around 30,000 rupees. So if you want to buy with offers, you have to go to Samsung shop. In Samsung shop, you can see that the price of this device is 33,999 rupees for the 256 GB version. And if you scroll down, you can see that there are multiple offers with this. The first offer is 2,000 rupees instant cashback on HDFC credit card. And the second offer is referral advantage up to 5% additional discount. So using this additional code, you can get 5% extra discount. So what you have to do, you have to click on buy button. Okay, and whenever you will click on it, a page will open, and then you have to scroll down and you have to apply coupon. Apply this coupon, note down the coupon code, and whenever you will apply this, you will get instant discount of rupees. Okay, I have selected 2. Let me delete 1. You can see that the price is 32,299, and after that you will get 2,000 extra discount with HDFC credit card. Okay, so the effective price will be 30,299 rupees. So if you want to buy the 256 GB version Snapdragon 888 variant, you can buy from Samsung shop app. This Samsung shop. Okay, and let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this handset from Samsung shop, or if you have already bought it from Flipkart during offer period. Thank you very much.